Hello guys. In this video I will talk about how you can set different time in your browser. So I think it is needed in some cases, like if someone is doing some testing or developer is doing unit testing. So in that case it will be very helpful. So there are few steps in which you can follow and change the browser time. So let me show you this every step one by one. So simply just follow these steps and you can change the time. So let me start with the first is basically open the Chrome Dev Tools as I already opened here. Let me close that. So here we have this is a developer tool. You can open that either from the three dots or from the Control Shift I shortcut. Then you can easily find out then what you need to do. You need to find out the option sensors in the by clicking on the three dots. So here you can find the three dots here, and here we have the more tools and we have the sensors. So in just from the sensors we can change the location, and according to that location we can change the time. So so here what I have done is basically I have changed the time to London time. So now if you print the time here, let me show you. So here if I print the time then it will showing the London time. And you can also Google the London time. You can also go check that by calling by Google that. So here it will showing the 1:47 p.m. So here we get the 1:47. So by that we can change the location. So with that you can set the browser time uh, to different time. So you can see as in different tab. If you open that, then you also get the London time here. Let me refresh it. I think there is some problem here. Let me refresh it. Then it is showing the this time. Let me check it again. So firstly, I think we need to see that this time is in effect or not. So now it is in effect mode, and you can see that it is showing the London time. So with that, you can simply follow these steps, and you can easily set the time zone of whatever country you want to set. The browser will use the amount you specified for all the data related calculations. So you can you can check that for the data related calculations. So now what we have now, if you want to add another location, you cannot find the location that you want here. So you can easily do that by simply following the other steps. So what you need to add the new time zone. So as you can see here, I just recently add the Canada time here. So I just find so what it needs is basically it needs the latitude, longitude, and time zone ID and local. So you can easily find that these things by Google by doing the Google. So you can see here like you need latitude, longitude, so you can Google that. So you need time zone ID, so you can Google that, and you can Google the local ID also. Now you can just with that you can easily update the time. So here you, with the manage option, you will get the option and you can update the time according to that.